Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start soonish. I'm just waiting for stuff, and hopefully the sound is okay. I can't really hear it. I have another thingy set up so I can hear it. Hope it sounds okay. Okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Boop 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 boop. Okay, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna just set up some folders for organization. So we get some scripts, some fonts eventually. Can do materials. And prefabs. And I don't know, some sprites in case we need it. This will be mostly 3D, and I don't have my drawing tablet, so probably mainly low poly stuff, hopefully. Okay, yay! Hello, Minato. Alright, so I just made some folders. There are fonts, materials, got prefabs, scenes was already here, have some scripts and some sprites. I don't know. And boop-a-doop. Basically, we're gonna make this game, or at least mess around with trying to copy it. I think it'd be interesting to model a lot of things and then figure out how to make things stick to the ball and then make it efficient. Uh, yeah, so that, you know, I think in the game it starts, like the ball starts to get really big as it collects more stuff, and then that could get really laggy. Like here, like wow, so much stuff, and that could be really laggy. And yeah, so it'd be cool to like get rid of smaller things as you add more, because you can't see it anyway. So yeah, yay. Um, I guess I can start first with just moving something around. So here's our scene. There's a camera. And let's just create some kind of wrapper. It's like the level. And then we can create, oh, not an empty one. We can create a cube for the floor for now. Oh no, why was it blue? Okay, and then I'm not really sure what scale to make this, but yeah, we can just beep, 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 stretch it out. Oh no, not that. Stretch it out, make it a little flatter. Give ourselves some space. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Some space to work with. Yeah. Um, okay. Okay, so we can make a sphere for our boy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just put it back to the center. And then there's our player. Wow. Perfect. And then we can make it we just make it a different color so that we can see it better. So change the albedo. We can do a nice blue. Bam. Okay. So we're gonna want gravity to do a thing. So let's just give the, oh, okay, it has box collider. This has a sphere collider. And then we can give it a rigid body so that they interact. Let's also call this static because it's not going to move. And yeah, I think at this point the ball will just fall onto the floor and hopefully not move. Hopefully not go through. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay, so make a little script to do a thingy thing. A spear. Okay. Oh no, I made a material. God heckin' dang it. Okay, delete. Create a script. And then call this player controller. Yeah, so for now, we're not going to worry about making this little dude follow it because that's kind of hard. So we can put this on the spear. Aw, okay. We'll just wait. Oh no. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so it looks like it's okay now. We can do that. Let's open this up in the Visual Studio. Oh my goodness. I hope my computer survives. Load. Okay. I guess I can close Blender for now. Doot doot. Wow, it's so slow. Okay. So, I don't like that. Alright, so this is attached to the sphere. And we can see. I found a good, this is like the OG rollerball tutorial, and I don't really know how to make a move, so just steal this. Looks like it just gets the rigid body, which we have, and then get some of that input. So we can just steal that. So we're going to want a reference to the player's rigid body, and we could just do get component rigid body. Okay, and then I think we want this in a fixed update because it's physics. And wow, okay, and then oh no, be gone. Let's see. No. Okay. Should I just copy it? I feel bad. But it be like that. Okay. Input dot get access. Horizontal was capitalized. Oh, it was. Okay. And then we'll move vertical. Oh no. Vertical. So this is like the forward and sideways input. So if you press WASD or up, down, left, right, it'll do stuff. And then you can create a vector 3. Basically a vector with 3 things. Wow. Okay, with move equals a new vector 3 with the move horizontal, hopefully 0, and then move vertical. And then do rb.add force. Let's see. Move. And then do we want acceleration? I think we want acceleration. Hopefully this doesn't fly away. And we can have a float move speed. And that can be, I have no idea. We just say it's 10. It's very arbitrary. And multiply this move speed times time dot delta time. Kind of slow it down. That's just the seconds between each frame. So that'll help. We can not zoom away, I think. Let me make sure I got the order right. Horizontal, vertical, and then bam. Okay, let's see if this flies away. Oh no, stuff is falling. Okay. So I think, yeah, so I'll just play it. Oh, okay, it's moving really slowly, but it's accelerating. No, don't do it. You have so much to live for. Okay, so it's really slow. I don't think we want this for this case. Shh, I was drinking water. Alright. Oh. No. No. Okay. Um. Yeah, I think that's okay. And then we can like look at this to see if it's actually rotating. Hopefully it is. Or we can just add a lot of friction to the ground or something. So, whoop, whoa. Okay, so it is rolling. Yay. Whoa. Okay, now, so it looks like the up. So when I press the up key, it goes that way, and then right is this way. So our camera should be somewhere like this. Let's see. Sphere, our main camera. Oh, it's kind of there already. Okay, so we can just boop, move it up, move it this way, and then turn it around this axis. Gonna do that. Nice. Can move it, and then we just want the camera to follow it. So you know what that means. Make another script. Yeah. So the camera controller. Wait for that to load very slowly. Oh, never mind. Put it over here. Put it over here. Bam. Okay. I wish you could change the settings for this, but you can't. Ah. Okay. So right, we want a reference to the sphere, so we can call that player objects, and that's about it. We can also prepare a float for the interpolation, or I guess, sure, yeah, and we can make that something really arbitrary like 0.7. We also need an offset variable to know the original offset, so private offset, oh no, wait, no, vector 3, offset, right, and offset will be transform dot position. Actually, what's a better way to do this? Yeah, this is good. Transform dot position minus player object dot transform dot position. So this is just the difference between their positions. And yeah. Okay. Do a fixed update so that it's not jittery. Probably will be anyway. And okay, so we want this transform dot position to be a mathf.lerp. So this interpolates between 2 points. We want to go between the camera's current position and where it should be relative to the sphere's new position. I want to go from this position, from A to B, so this to the player objects plus that original offset, and then a float for the interpolation. So we can do that. Oh no, why is it red? Just, oh pow. It didn't help. Can do it like that, and like that, and like that. Okay, what's wrong? Oh, never mind. Vector 3 Okay, and that should be it. Oh, I did not change the stream title. It still Axolotl Pinball. Oops. Let me change that right now. Shoot. I can't log in. Okay, well, it'll just stay like that. No. Stop. Okay, so if we move. Oh, yes. Oh, you know what? We didn't even put the script on. Yes. Freaking. Oh, okay. So we just put the player there. Spear. Wait, hold on. For. Yeah, no, that's okay. I was thinking maybe I should put it in some wrapper object, but that's fine. I'll fix it later. And then. Oh, pow. So rude. Whoa, you can't really tell it's moving because there's nothing there. But it's moving. Right, you can see here. Look at it. No! Oh gosh. But yeah, it's moving. Wow. Wait, that's all. Okay, well. He died. Okay, so let's try. So the main thing is that we want to be able to pick up items by sticking to them. So we can make a cube, and let's just make a new material so we can see it against the white background. Call this temp item. Yes. Get cube. Put that at 0, 0. Lift it up. Oh, pow. Okay. Let's make this. Oh, make orang. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Yes. Dude. Do, 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 do. I should probably make this smaller. Oh no. So we get like really small. Because in the game you can't pick up anything that's, I think, just smaller than you. Or some certain mass. Like you can pick up signposts that are way bigger than you. But I think they're similar mass. Or weight. Or whatever. So let's just put that next to this boy. Might be okay. Will this fall through the ground? It doesn't fall at all. Nice. Okay, well, a rigid body it is. Nice. It should probably have a smaller mass, like 0.2. Let's see if we can interact with it. So, pow. Oh, it is moving slightly. This. Oh, nice. Did a little flip. So that's really that's pretty nice. Oh no. All right. This. Okay. We're just gonna make a better color for the ground floor. It's kind of blinding. Okay. How about? What's a good color? Oh no. It's a little. Sure. Let's see. Smoothness. No. Metallic. No. Okay, whatever. Okay. And doot. Doot. Alright, so let's get things sticking. Let's make a new tag for these collectible things. So, I don't know, we can call it stickable. And then it doesn't actually assign it, so we assign it. Sad. Let's also call this the player. So yeah. Okay. So either we can have the player check that anything enters its collider and then like stick it, or we can have all the individual objects check. And I'm not sure which one's better. If all the objects need to be a certain mass in order to stick, then maybe it's better if they have their own information, like their mass. They can see if they're pick upable by the player. Well, since it's only Minato, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Enjoy. Okay. Alright, I return. So let us consider. Oh, why hello. Okay, so let's see. Um, what is more efficient? Thoughts. Kind of looks like it has a fuzz around it. Let's see. So they. Hmm. Do do do. Yep. I guess the main distinguishing factor between different objects is their mass. Oh no. Okay, is their mass? So, but it'd be really nice if we could just do it based on their actual size here. Highly suspect. Okay, so we can assume it's the mass for now. And then I guess we could have a little scene where we just have every object and then like lined up by mass so we know what they are relative to each other. It'd be kind of cool showcase. So this is a very small object. And then yeah, so I think the player is gonna check this kind of thing. So let's rename this to player movement controller. Hopefully that changed. Nope, of course not. Because I think I want a separate script for like a player item controller. Oh no, this player item detection. Okay, so this, oh, we should attach it. Okay, let's call this player. Put, no, player. And we put the player item detection on it. Nice. So what do we need? Do, do, do. Okay, so basically, if the ball encounters any item or object with the tag stickable, then I think we can just put this as a child, and then they'll kind of go together. And we may need to remove the rigid body. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is working. It's beautiful. Right, this is exactly what we want. Yes. Okay. It's stuck. Okay, great. Okay, so that's our thing. So if touch item, then we're gonna get rid of the rigid body because that might cause weird things. But we want that collision. Somehow keep collision, or like expand the collider for the player so that it keeps interacting, but it's bigger. And then we put the item as a child of the player, as in like nested under it. So let's see, what was it? Void on collision enter. Yeah, okay. Right. So this is one of those like callback functions that Unity has, where if something enters the player's collider, then this function will be called, and we can see the tag of the object it collides with. So we can do num 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 num. Man, I'm kind of tired. Okay. All right. So if collision. Okay, wait. Okay, game object other equals collision dot game object. So we have it saved, and then if other dot tag, and I think you can do double equals in C#. So we can do stickable. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Okay, I'm dumb. There we go. Then, other dot remove. No. What is it? Component? Something with component. How do you? Oh, wait. You do like destroy. Other dot get component. Rigid body. I think that's how you do it. So we want to get rid of the rigid body, and ideally the collider would still work, but what a sad time. Maybe it's because the player rigid body doesn't register that as its own collider. Who knows? Collision detection. Ooh. Oh, I don't know. Okay, and then transform dot add child. Oh no, we do other dot set parent. No, transform dot set parent. Yeah, set parent. Transform. Yes. Okay, so this will set other objects parent to player, and then they should hopefully move together. Let's also make sure this function works, so we just say player collided with object. Okay, let's see what goes wrong. Oh, what? Oh. We never... Oh, no. Come back. Okay. I never took it off of the player. Okay. So, right off the bat, we get this, but that's because it collided with the floor. So, scoot closer, and then... Whoop. Oh my gosh, yes! Wait. This is exactly what we want. It's beautiful. Yeah. Although the problem is if it say it's completely surrounded by cubes and then it touches another cube, then it won't detect it as a collision. A little nubbin there. Boink. Okay, so it's pretty fun to play with. Okay, so let's just duplicate that. Gonna scoot them around. Oh no. I wonder if they'll all spring apart. Because they're all in the same place. Oh, yes, yes. Alright, so let's just scoop them up. Boop. Yes, alright. It's Oh yeah, so sometimes it doesn't actually stick because it doesn't touch. Ah, that's so cool. It be Katamari. Also, is this too small? I feel like this is a small preview area. Oh, okay. Nice, nice, nice. Um, right, so also we want to keep track of the player's mass. So let's do it private float mass, and we can do a public float get mass, just in case we need it. And we can start that at 1. And basically, if the mass is big enough, we can pick up other things. So anything, I guess anything smaller than this mass we can pick up. So just do a little and mass is greater than, oh man, I don't know. Oops. I think we want the rigid body dot mass. Yes. Okay, dot mass. Then we can pick it up. So say let's make this one 1.1. Oh no, it's too big. So we can't actually pick it up. And then hopefully it should not pick it up. If I can. Yeah, so it just kind of bumps up against it. Very nice. Okay. Very cool. And let's set that back to 0.2. Okay, so now we have the problem of if it's completely surrounded by random stuff, it can't pick up things. So that's a rip. Oh well. No, man. How do we solve that? So players, collider, is only this sphere. Oh, okay. So is there a way to attach a script programmatically? Yeah, let's see. Google's our friend. Add component. Okay. We can try it. So basically, it'd be a script for any object that's stuck on the player. So like a stuck item controller. The stuck. Okay. These frickin' brackets. Okay, yeah. So let's see. If let's just do a test. Get key down. Key code dot. Oh, okay. E it is. Then let's debug.log. Arrow. And then so this way we know if it actually got attached to the game object. So we can do that other dot add component. Oh, okay. Oh no. The mouse messed up. Okay, add component. Stuck item controller. Yes. And let's see what happens. Kerchow. Okay, so some things are attached. So they suppose. Oh, okay. Nice. So these cubes have the stuck item controller on it. So that's very cool. Let's go pop it. Wait. There's like one cube that's attached. It's not even touching the sphere. What the heck? Wait, so can we just pick up everything? America, explain. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Okay, I'll just make a lot of cubes. This may be really laggy. Okay, and then hopefully I can cover the whole ball. Oh, there it's everywhere. Kind of looks like it's just kind of attaching whenever it wants. So maybe we don't need to deal with it. Like, there's a whole like freaking arm. Bip. Yeah, it's sticking pretty well. Nice. Oh, also, we should increase the mass of the player whenever we add a new item. So, oh man. Okay, yeah, we can do float other mass equals other dot get component, the rigid body, which has that information, and then dot mass. So we don't need to do it twice. Other mass. Oh, other mass. Yeah, they do look like cheese. Okay, and I guess something that'd be helpful, oh my gosh, is not have this, but also, oh no, just create an empty game object, gibbs. Let's put them all there just to organize them a little. It's not as disgusting. Okay, great. Yeah, it would be nice to have some text saying our mass just for debugging purposes. And then later we can use some better text assets. So we just do mass. And then we can replace that. So mass debug. Yeah. Okay. And we can get that by just doing a public text. Is it? Probably have to use unity.ui or something. Alright, it's Google time. Unity text import. Nope. Edit text in script. Doot doot doot. It's just Unity engine.ui. That's what it is. Nice. So now we can have text. Mass debug. And that's just a public thing that we can set in the menu. And then let's just update it. So text equals mass. I can also scoot this over a little so it's less disgusting. Oh, I didn't set the reference to anything. Yeah, so if you make something public, you can almost always see it here. So you can have a reference to that game object. Oh, bam! Oh, there's no rigid body attached. Interesting. Oh wow, it just keeps going up. It's kind of concerning. Yep. Alright, if I stop moving, does it stop? Where is this occurring? Line. Okay, so it's here. So maybe rigid body doesn't exist sometimes. Oh yeah. Man. Just trying to be efficient. Oh. Wow, I'm so tired. Okay. So alright, well I'll try this just to see if that fixes the error, and then we can make it better later. Yeah, that's fine. Doot doot. Is there any? So I was thinking about. Okay, yeah. So it's fine now. Oh, very cool. V cool. V cool. But yeah, I was thinking about doing some modeling at maybe, I don't know, 8, so we can make some random objects for us to collect. So if you have any ideas, you can just write them down. Another thing that happens in Katamari is when you reach a certain mass, then your ball kind of expands, changes color. It's like a different size. So it also gets rid of the smaller objects that you already collected. So I guess it'd be less laggy because there are less objects to check collisions with. So we could do something with that. I guess we could just do like the first however many percent, because it seems like they're getting added in that order. So if we collect something else, oh no 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 no, boink. If we can collect something, yep. Okay, yeah. So it gets added to the end. So we could just, so say we got to 10 mass, then we could, boom, remove that much. Oh, that's kind of weird. And then expand the size of the, oh, stuck. Oh, yeah. Oh, it just like slid. It's beautiful. Okay. So yeah. Very cool. Let's just scoot in here. Yes. All right. Maybe we should fix the problem where you can't pick anything up if you're completely surrounded by objects, or we can start modeling some random things to add to the game. I feel like modeling would be more fun. We can deal with problems later. Yeah, so if we look at the game, there it's just the most random objects. There's like a book, like a cracker, like a lipstick, a little dude, and there are also like moving parts to it too. Like there's a human, you like get hit by them, you lose some objects from your your Katamari ball. I think that's what it's called. Oh, yeah, see? Boom. Yeah, just so many random objects like strawberries. We love sandals. A beach ball. You can pick up cats and dogs when you get big enough. Very cool. Oh my gosh, is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway. Doot doot. Yeah, there's like some bottle, some fruit, or cherries, an orange, some dice, like a kendama toy. Kendama toy. I think at some point you get big enough where you can collect rainbows. and just like the whole world. I think the story is like you want to build something big enough to plug in a black hole. But yeah. So it's pretty cool already that we can like pick stuff up and then it sticks. Let me do the thinky thunk. Well, I don't know what a good scene would be. So like, there could be different levels. Maybe one scene is a school, lots of school supplies that you could pick up, or like a supermarket with lots of food. Yeah, I don't know. Minato, do you have any ideas? I'm so tired. Let's see. Okay, so in the meantime, I can open Blender. Okay, and we can make a new thing. Oh, I should get my mouse out. Okay, mouse is out. Oh no, is it out of battery? Oh no, I didn't put the USB thing in. Nice. Cool. So jittery. Oh no, why? What did I ever do? Okay, so boom, cube. And what's an object we can do? Well, first, let's delete the camera and the lamp so they don't get exported. And okay, so here's our OG cube. Let's have the cube be there for reference. So that's relative to our little dude. Oh, right. So let's save this in Katamari. Call this Katamari objects. Do a little save. Boom. Okay. Well, just looking at my desk, we got a pencil holder, so we can make that pretty easily. I have a cup, water bottle. Could do the laptop or a pan. Possibilities are endless. I think the cup holder would be a good start. So let's make a cube. Oh, it's huge. So I don't really know what this cube is supposed to be. Like, maybe it can be an actual block of cheese, like a little like some crumbs. So it's pretty small. So we're gonna start really small for player. So relative to some crumbs, I guess a pencil thing would be pretty big. little cheese. And could put a mouse. I don't know how to model a mouse. Oh no. Sounds like a sad time. Okay, so let's make this a little longer. Ciao. And do that. Boop boop boop. Let's bring this above 0. Very nice. So actually, how do I get, no, this, yeah, okay, so I press N to get that, if anyone cares. Okay, boop, boop, boop. So let's just keep this in the middle, and then we just want to carve out a hole in the middle so that it's like pencil case, like a basically a cup. Make it a little shorter, yeah, like that. Bring it up, and one really easy thing to do to get the hole is we can make another cube. Wow. Scale it down along X. Oh wow, it's so tall. Okay, let's just yeah. How do I go into wire mode? Okay, well, while we're doing this, I'm gonna close this to help save my computer. Okay, Blender, wire mode. Shift Z. Let's move this closer. Shift Z. Oh no, that's not it. In previous versions, we use Z. Does Z work? Oh, nice. Okay, I guess I am previous version. Okay, so I just want this to go down to here. There. That looks pretty good, to be honest. Okay, so this, the thing we just put inside will act as like something we want to subtract. So what we can do is, so let's call this pencil holder. What? Did it? Okay, this will be cheese block. Or cheese crumb? Crumb? No. Stop. Okay. Cheese crumb. And then this will be pencil holder subtract. So this will help us make a hole in it. And really cool thing we do is add a modifier. This one. We do a Boolean one. There it is. We can do pencil holder. Oh no, that's not it. Not intersect. We want difference? No. Onion? Intersect? No. Difference. Yep. I guess I thought wrong. Oh wait, it could be difference, and then we just hide this. Yeah, okay. So we look inside. Wow, it's hollow. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so that's our little cup holder boy. We can also, so let's apply that for chow, and then let's see. Alright, so that's our pencil holder compared to a thing of cheese, or like a little crumb. We can also make, oh no, let's see, D, grab it along the y-axis, scoot it over. We can go into edit mode and kind of, oh, that's some weird geometry stuff. Okay, we can select the edges. Ah, please. Okay, so laggy. Okay, select that edge, select these corners. Oh, there's some screaming outside. College is the time. Okay. Oh, wow. It's so laggy. Help. Why is this happening? Okay, so I have all the corners selected. And we can do, what's it, Control B? Oh, yeah, to like bevel the edges. And we can use the scroll bar to make it more rounded. Yes, yes. Kind of like that. And then that looks passable. Right, guys? And so it's a little more rounded. I don't know if we could do the inside. Could be nice. Did it? Yeah. Okay. This one, this one. To do a little doot doot. Oh, pow. Oh no. It's like, ugh, it's kind of gross. Okay, abort. Abort. No, thank you. I think the rest is fine though. Yeah. I think that's probably good enough because it'll be pretty small anyway. Some other objects I can make. I can make a pen, or like pencil's probably easier. Dude, okay. Okay, so to do a pencil, we can do a cylinder, and then we can do 6 vertices, I think. Yeah. Cool. Okay, and then let's scale that down a lot because pencils are not that thick. And then make it taller. I think that's a good size compared to. Oh no. I just made it part of. Why am I like this? Okay, so I just made it as part of this object, and we don't want that. So let's redo that in object mode, 6 vertices, nice. Shrink that down a lot. And then make it longer. And we can scoot this over just to kind of see the size. So this is maybe too big. And then we can go into edit mode and try to make it pointy. Let's see. How do we make something come to a point? Maybe if oh no. Okay, maybe if we can oh, what's happening here? Whoa. Okay, that's not it. Let's see. Blender, combine, vertices 2 point. The pencil is in a different dimension now. So Alt M. Okay, let's try. So Alt M. Hit center. Oh. Okay, that's pretty close to what we want, and we can fix that by just subdividing along the here. Scoot it up. Just make a new section. Maybe there. Yeah. And then Alt M that. Ka-chow. At center. Yes, very nice. And then we can check inside to make sure there's nothing weird. How do I move slowly? Alt. Ooh, that's a little trippy. It looks okay. So we got a pencil now. Okay, you know what? It's close enough. How do we make this a cone? Do we even want it to be a cone? We can just say it's part of the low poly aesthetic. Okay, we can make this a little pointier. Just scoot this up. I think that looks pretty good. And then we can even... Okay, so to make life easier for us for doing the color, like the material, we can scoot... Oh no. Okay, scoot this up first. And does that seem too tall for the pencil holder? No, it looks good, I believe. Okay, now let's make another cylinder, but this time let's give it some more sides. Very cool. Could you imagine if that was the eraser? Okay, let's shrink that down a lot. Zoom. Oh no. Zoom in. Doop, doop, doop. Oh man, there's also like the metal part that connects the eraser. Oh, it's too much. Can we just boop? Yes. Perfect. We can scoot it down a little. Let's see. Scoot it up and then okay. Perfect. That is what do you mean wow? Okay. And then we can combine these. How do we group these? Boop. Boop. I used to know it. Right, Blender, group objects. Hacksaws. Shift, Command G, Control G, Control G, Control G. Oh, okay. It's green. select a member of the group and press Shift G. What? Oh, let's just do Control P. Alright, undo that. Control P, set object to no object. Okay, so now it is one parental unit. And then, so it should be under here. Yeah, so this is the eraser. And this is the I guess the pencil. Okay, very cool, very cool. Yeah. Okay, so scoot this over. Nice, we have 4 objects already. Okay, speaking of eraser, we could make like a small block eraser. Just be like a white rectangle. We can make it like curved at the end, I guess. If we want to be fancy. Let's make a cube. This is our eraser. Okay, scale it down. Scale it this way. Scale it down even more. It's still a little big. Scale it down more. And then make it flatter. Yeah, like so. I know usually they have like a case, so we can just bam, and then scale that up slightly like that. And then that can be the case. We can scale it down on the y-axis. Scoot it so it's like that. And then boom, it's a stick of gum. Scale, Shift Y. That might be too much. Okay, whatever. That's good. So like this can be white, this can be blue, and then it's like one of those Asian erasers. Very cool. You can also make this rounded at the end. So, boop. Oh no, let's go into edge mode. Bevel it a little. Oh no. Oh, is that weird? That's eraser-ish. Maybe. Does that? It's been used a little. I think that's pretty good. Okay, we'll just yeah, we'll keep that for now. And group these. The object. Yeah. So this is the eraser wrapper. This is the eraser, or like a eraser block. Wrapper. Yes, very nice. Let's see if it's the right size. Scoot it that way. That looks pretty reasonable, I would say. And also rotate it. Scoot it up. Boom. A child. Okay, scoot it over. Yay. Okay. Before we export all these, we want to, let's see, something we want to do before we export. Oh man, I wrote it down, but I left it at home. Yeah. It's like scale transfer. All right, we'll just find the guide I use. Export Blender to Unity. Oh yeah, this is a quality guide. It's basically, we want to make everything like we want the scale to be 1. Ooh, okay, apply. Press Control A. Rotation scale. Okay, so before this scale was some weird number relative to the original cube that we used, but now it's 111, and that makes it easier for Unity, or like it tells Unity that this is the original size. And then same for rotation, like this would have been rotated, but now this is the original rotation. So that just tells Unity that that's correct. And then just in case we want to where is it? Oh yeah, we want to recalculate the normals because sometimes after modeling some of the faces will be backwards because it only renders one side, but you don't see that in Blender. But in Unity it'll look like it's missing a face, and that's because it's backwards. Same for this one, we can just recalculate. This one, calculate. Sometimes you'll see that the faces are a strange color, and then after recalculating it'll be fine. Dude, okay. Very cool. So yeah, we have some items now. I should make some smaller items, but it's fine. Oh wow, thank you. Anyway, I don't know what other smaller thing I should make. I feel like the eraser's a good size, and then the rest we probably won't be able to pick up. So yeah, for the one new person joining, basically I made a ball and it rolls around and it'll pick up little objects that are smaller than itself. And oh no, that's some weird sliding. And then it'll be okay. Pick stuff up, the mass increases, and then you're able to pick up stuff that's bigger, but obviously we don't have anything, so it's okay. And yeah, so let's get these into Unity. We can go to do models, import new asset. No, I'm getting exposed. Okay, here, this import. Yeah. Okay. So hopefully this is like a good size. Oh yeah, that's the cube must be tiny. Oh no, it's pretty much the same. That's nice. Okay. Um, yeah. This cube is pretty similar to these cubes, so this is a good size. This we can get rid of, so let's, I wonder if, I don't think I can edit it because it's a prefab. Yeah, so that means they're all associated with each other. Let's unpack it. Yeet this away, because we just use that to make the hole there. Un momento. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay. Right. So we can let's make a new empty object for stickable items. So these are the objects that you can collect. We could have some objects that are just part of the environment and you're not supposed to collect them. So you take all these. Kerchow. Let's also call this pencil holder rounded. Yeah. Just so we know. do 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 do. Well, I think I've peaked in life. I have 2 viewers. Okay, so oh man, all of these need. We don't really need the cheese crumb, or okay, we'll keep it. Okay, so let's add a rigid body. Okay, so first let's add a rigid body, and then for the cheese crumb, the no, not the pencil, the eraser block, the pencil holder, and the other pencil holder, we can add a box collider, and this, I guess, I can merge these. Nope. Okay, well, we can just add a, there is cylinder, oop. Okay. Okay, whatever. They'll get a box collider. Yeah. Does this? Okay, let's see if this. Okay, it looks like the box collider for the pencil part doesn't go all the way down. So I added one to the eraser, and then the eraser block. That's fine. Might be some weird clipping That's fine. Let's get some colors going. So let's make a folder for the stickables because there may be some for the environment, and we can make material for cheese chrome. We can make that kind of yellowish, as you would expect for cheese. The cheese. Did I even? Oh yeah, it did. If I had my tablet, I would draw some, cheesy textures, but no. Okay, and then I can make a pencil holder. I mean, I guess white. I have the white pencil holder right now, I guess. It's not really clear what it is. I think we make it not smooth for like the low poly effects, perchance. So let's do that for here too. Let's try it out. Let's make one for the pencil that's like orange, so or yellowish. I don't know. Maybe like that. That. That's. We can't really do a different color for the tip, but that's okay. Yoink. We'll just have to deal with it. Yay. And for the eraser, you can make it pink. So we create yet another one. Pencil eraser. Make it pink. I think that's a good color. Yeah. Oh, that's a pencil right there, if I've ever seen one. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay. I think for the sake of interacting with the environment, we should actually not have this box collider. And then this pencils collider should just extend and be the whole thing. Oh, it's really going to be really hard. Okay, so we just, yep. And I think that's in the right place. Yeah, nice. Okay. So if we start the scene, it should hopefully not go through the floor. Nice. Let's see if we can knock it over. Let me out. Oh. Good job. Oh, there's... Hit. Yeah. Take that, pencil. Eh. Push you off. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's pink. We can rotate this. Take a look in the light. Okay, maybe it is purple. I don't know. It's okay. See, can make it more big. I don't think that helped. Okay, whatever. Let's put this back. Oh no, I hear my roommates. Okay. Oh, and then I kind of want to make a like a milk carton now because of the white and blue that I'll do for this eraser. It's kind of random. Okay, so we'll do the eraser block for this boy, and I guess white works because it is that. The eraser block wrapper. I make that kind of a light blue. Light blue. I think that's too light. Kind of like, oh, maybe like that. Bam. We could get a table going if we want. Yeah. Oh, someone's knocking at the door. Un momento. Oh, okay. Yeah, that'll stop floating soon. Just not now. Okay, so let's make this a stickable thing. And where's that rigid body? Okay, we can make this compared to the cheese. Maybe it's 0.3. Who knows? It's all relative. So we can make a little display area. Yeah. Oh no, that ain't it. Okay, we'll just scoot everything over here. So like, we just slowly add to our collection. And then, okay, so this will be 0.2. Okay, whatever. And this is definitely heavier, so we can make this like 1.1. 1.1. This pencil. Oh, I don't know. 0.5. So that'll look kind of weird when we stick to it, which is okay. That could be funny. And this, yeah. So we can, let's line this up by size. These are the heavier end. This is pretty heavy. And these boys, not as heavy. Cool. And then we can just slowly add to the collection. Oh shoot, I'm in the sample scene. Yikes. Can I rename this? Okay, well, never mind. Okay. But yeah, let me try sticking to these. Let's bring these all over. Oh, no, no. Bring these all over to here. And let's see what happens when we stick to them, just for fun. Oh, that's kind of cool. They're like, oh, wait, what? Sir? Why? Did I not mark them? Oh, okay, that's why. Sad. Okay. Whoop. Oh. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty whack. But that's like that's pretty accurate as far as the game goes. Help! I'm trapped. Yep. That's really cool. Oh, it did stick. Okay, so we don't need to solve that problem anymore. Yes. Um, maybe when we pick stuff up, we could try to make it more uniform when we attach things instead of just attaching right where it touches. But this is pretty cool already. Uh, let's make some. Is this the floor? Let's make an empty thing. The environment. So that'll just be like the things we don't interact with. Let's make some. I was gonna make some walls, but whatever, it's fine. Gonna try the erasers. So just put a bunch. Get those over here. Oh, too far. See what happens. Yeah. What is rolling? Oh, it's pretty laggy. Oh, nice. Okay, so. Oh! Oh, that was like a. That was like a chain reaction. What the heck? No! Help! Help! Oh no. Okay, so that's a problem. But that's the behavior I wanted, I guess. I guess the way we set up the level should not allow that. Help! Okay, so I guess in our level we'd have it set up where things are a little more separated. But like this, it's pretty cool that we have all these objects laying around already. It's like a little playground. Okay. Hey, wait. Why are there 4 people here? Who could it be? Okay. Oh, don't touch the pencil. Doink. Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. This is more like what you'd expect from a Katamari thing. You're like kind of struggling to roll around. But eventually when you reach oh no. When you reach a certain size, like the ball will increase with your size so that rolling gets easier. And then we can remove some of the smaller items inside. And that'll be pretty cool. Yay. Um, yeah, I guess next time we can make like a level or like an environment, make more objects, and then yeah, I guess most of it is just making a lot of objects and setting up the level. Uh, I don't know. Is there? I don't know. Doot, 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 doot. Oh, someone's at the door again. Yeah, you want milk? Okay, wait, I'll be out. Wait, you want milk? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Uh, I think that's gonna be good for today. I will be back next Sunday, hopefully. Hopefully, I'm not getting destroyed by college. And thanks for watching. I think my roommates made brownies, so I'm gonna go finesse some of those. Oh, and next time I should do some like rotation so that the camera rotates around. I haven't actually played the game, sadly, but I think use the left and right to rotate the camera, and then oof. Oh, can we? Yes. Wait, do we get it? No, we didn't. Okay, get it. Yep. Yeah, I think in the game you use the left and right to rotate, and then you just have forward and backwards, which I think would be harder to control. Haha, that's right. I'll push it off. I'll do it. Okay, never mind. I can't move. I'm stuck. I have to build momentum. Oh yeah, there's jumping. Okay, I'm gonna try ramming speed this pencil. Yeah, oh no. Okay, but yeah, I can do jumping. Okay, so for next time, I'm gonna do jumping, more objects, rotate camera, get some environment going. I guess that's it. And I guess, okay, it's not there. I don't want to open Visual Studio again. That's a lot of erasers. Heck yeah. Yeah. I guess most of the work is making the objects, so I guess I'll need lots of recommendations because I can't think of all this myself. Yay! And then maybe we can make a little character that walks around with the ball, but oof, that'll be hard. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. I'm really tired. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next Sunday. Do do do. Okay. Boop.